I'm going to make uh, person. I'm going to make person low. So let's start. First, I need to draw its circle. Then we align the circle like this with the help of um, align and control spacebar and right click to zoom in and we should use pen tool as per for uh, person hands. Okay, so first I need to draw it like this. Sorry, we should shift it into stroke because if you can't if you forget to so if you forget to stroke shift into stroke if you forget to shift into stroke, then you should then uh, many problems create in your waves. Okay, so you should don't forget to switch into stroke, so that can help you very easy to draw with pen tool. Okay, and in escape to to drop the line like this. So basically it's very easy. You should and like this, and we need to use this and shift it and drop and select the this this area, yeah, this area, and uh, right click to fill the hands. Okay, and object and expand, so it automatically converts the uh, uh, into full color. Okay, expand into, sorry guys, it's very easy. You can make it like this, like this, and we shift it with control G. Sorry, I think we should small the face person, small the face of person, so it looks good. I think yes, it's looking good. Very do align. Okay, and sorry, and you can use with this. Sorry, like this, and if you yes, and control G and copy with alt for another person like this, and again alt for another copy and align like, sorry, and control G like this. Uh, so guys, I hope you like my video. Then do subscribe to my channel, and for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, see you in the next video.